Hi, my name is Susan Chin from IB Sabah. I am a STEM educator with 18 years of teaching experience specializing in chemistry. During COVID 19, I created my own YouTube channel. I use simple Google tools like Google Slide, Google Form to keep my students engaged, even outside the classroom. The impact was real. Learning continued, students stay motivated, and my content reached beyond my school. That experience shows me that technology is not a barrier, it is a bridge. But many educators as they struggle with digital tools, not from the lack of passion, but from the lack of support. That's why I'm applying for Google Certified Trainer to empower the teachers to build digital confidence and to inspire change that will last. Look at the slide here. Isn't it familiar to all of us? Especially when we are conducting our online class. We have no response from our student no matter what we are asking them. How are we going to overcome this problem? That's easy. Let me share with you a simple Google Slide hack. Now, we are going to activate the Q&A link in our Google Slide. How are we going to do it? First of all, search your Google Drive for any Google Slide that you have. Open the Google Slide, look for Presenter View. Click this wheel and you're going to see the surface like this. Search for Audience tool and then go to the bottom of the surface and click Start New. Immediately, you are going to see the Q&A link appear on your screen. Select and right-click the link, paste it to the WhatsApp group, Telegram, or even the Google Classroom for your student. This Q&A link will surely appear on every single slide for your Google slide. Students who are quiet, who are having problem, they can simply just click the link and pose any questions that they wish to ask you. Teachers will immediately receive the question live, and we are going to answer the questions live as well. That's easy, right? So why is this Q&A link is so important in our Google slide? It is going to work on both offline and online. It boosts student engagement actively, and for sure, it is going to encourage our quiet student to participate actively in our class. Therefore, thank you for your attention. I hope you will try this hack and see you soon. Goodbye.